This song is about balancing Kairos and Chronos, aligning the ticking of the clock with the rhythms of the universe. I hope you like it.
In the land of golden sunrise by the River Kairos, with the people in harmony, their lives synchronized with the cosmos' natural rhythms. They dance to God's own time, each moment a precious pearl, strung together, so sublime. Kairotic time, the essence of the divine. Chronos may measure, but it's Kairos that defines the true meaning of our lives and the balance we must find between the ticking of the clock and the rhythm of the mind. The elder from Mechanica, with his clock so grand, promised progress and prosperity across the land. But as the minutes ticked away, the harmony unraveled. The mad human disease took hold as the people's hearts traveled. Kairotic time, the essence of the divine. Chronos may measure, but it's Kairos that defines the true meaning of our lives and the balance we must find between the ticking of the clock and the rhythm of the mind. The Orion and Cygnus descended from the stars, reminding the emperor of the wisdom that is ours. Kairotic time, the sacred key to unlock our true potential. Chronos, a tool, not a master, in this journey existential. The festival of the cosmos, clocks covered and hearts free. Laughter, song, and unity, a glimpse of what could be. Technology in harmony with the laws of the universe. Kairos and Chronos flowing together, no longer a curse. In the balance we find purpose, in the balance we find peace. The cosmos jokes, a reminder to live with humor and ease. Kairotic time, the essence of the divine. Chronos may measure, but it's Kairos that defines.